Welcome to Bauhaus Week Ahead, Week 34. This week brings a series of critical economic and corporate updates that could shape both market sentiment and investor positioning. Here are the highlights to watch. U.S. Employment Report, August 29th. Economists are expecting 145,000 new jobs, alongside a 4.2% unemployment rate. Markets will be highly sensitive to this release. If the numbers come in weaker than expected, we could see pressure on equities as recession fears resurface. On the other hand, stronger job growth may reduce the likelihood of aggressive rate cuts, tempering expectations for easier monetary policy. PCE inflation, August 28th. The Fed's preferred inflation gauge is projected at 2.6% for the headline figure and 2.8% for core inflation. Hotter-than-expected results may inject volatility into markets as investors reconsider the timing and depth of rate cuts. Conversely, cooler data would provide reassurance and solidify expectations of easing ahead. USMCA trade talks, August 25th. Canada's stance on tariffs is in the spotlight. Progress in negotiations could ease price pressures and support cross-border trade, benefiting both businesses and consumers. However, a stalemate or escalation in tensions may lead to higher costs and weigh on economic growth. Nvidia earnings, August 28th. All eyes are on Nvidia, with Wall Street projecting $32 billion in revenue. This report is a bellwether for the broader tech and AI sectors. A revenue miss could trigger a pullback in technology stocks, while a beat has the potential to fuel another leg higher in the AI-driven rally. EIA Petroleum Report, August 28th. Energy markets will look to the latest petroleum data for clarity on supply and demand dynamics. Any sign of disruptions or tighter supply could drive gasoline prices higher, with ripple effects across inflation and consumer spending. RBNZ Capital Review, ongoing. The Reserve Bank of New Zealand's ongoing capital review could have meaningful currency implications. Looser capital requirements have supported the New Zealand dollar, and consumer-oriented stocks, particularly retail ETFs, stand to benefit from this policy stance. The bottom line, Week 34 is packed with pivotal economic releases and corporate updates, from employment and inflation data in the US to global trade negotiations, central bank decisions, and major corporate earnings. Each event has the potential to sway markets in meaningful ways. Investors should be prepared for heightened volatility and adjust positioning accordingly. What's your strategy? Drop your insights on the comments below. And as always, stay sharp, stay curious, and above all, stay Bauhaus. Like, follow, and subscribe to our social media channels for more market updates and insights.